We back for another week of me day trading futures on a demo account, and for this week I was really trying to focus on combining my daily bias with an actual trading plan each day to help guide my entries better. So for now I don't really care if I get the trade right or wrong, but more so that I just stick to the script and build that discipline, you know, because there are a lot of times I just don't have the discipline or patience to wait for a good trade, which has cost me a lot. So will this week go as planned, or will I keep failing? I don't know. Alright, so for today, I was still recovering from my little weekend bender. I still tried to trade a little, but decided not to live stream it because I still wasn't feeling too good. Overall, I felt like time was just going really slow today, so I kind of got a little impatient on some trades. But to start off the day, I was feeling a little bearish after seeing price get rejected from these highs. So I was looking for price to break below further, but I kind of got impatient on my first trade and forced a short here after thinking of this as a possible lower high on the 5-minute chart. However, I was kind of 50-50 here because this fat buy momentum did push price back up really quickly above this line. So we could just be putting in a higher low here on the 1 minute, which was the case, and price popped up, stopping me out for a loss of $121.50. With price being supported here, I switched my bias for longs now and was looking for price to pop above these early highs. A bit later, price did push above after some slight consolidation, so I jumped in along, and as price kept ripping up, I decided to put my target near the highs from yesterday and have my stop loss trail price. A few minutes later, price did meet some resistance and stopped me out for a profit of $157.50. That resistance was kind of a lot fatter than I expected though, so I was a little hesitant to get back in along, but after seeing a few green candles in a row, plus this red candle getting bought up, I just jumped back in along. I really wanted to see price easily climb to the highs, but it kind of was struggling, not just once but twice, so I tied up my stop loss and just ended up bailing early for a small loss of $7.50 because I wasn't really getting that momentum I wanted. After that, I felt like price would just stall here for a bit, but like I said earlier, I wasn't feeling the best and just stopped here to take a nap. So overall, just break even today with a small profit of $12.84. Alrighty, so for today, I saw we did break above previous highs, so I was feeling bullish and really wanted price to find some support near these 600s, but at the start of the day, price just plummeted way past that. However, I was still bullish as this level held and hopped in along after seeing this 2-dump chump. I also really liked that these two red candles looked hella weak compared to that fat dump earlier, because paired with a strong buying response, I was more confident we would get a push back up. And a few minutes later, we were still pushing up easily, so I decided just to tighten up my stop loss in case somehow there was another fat dump incoming, but that never really happened, and we got one strong push up to my target for a profit of $399. After that, price was still struggling to move anywhere and volume was just kind of dead, so a bit later we did get a quick move down, so I kind of just flipped to a bearish bias because these 663s weren't holding like I wanted. I was still 50-50 here, so I decided just to size down to one contract, and price was still in the standstill, so after seeing this red candle get bought up, I just dipped for a small loss of $13. Should I have just held? Probably, but yeah, with that I just stopped trading here for the day to secure a profit of $379.04. Happy Halloween, like the costume, because I might not look scary, but that huge sell-off overnight is. So after seeing that, I was feeling a little bearish and was really interested to see how price would hold at the 300s or not, but that was answered really quickly because at the beginning of the day, price just immediately broke through it. So I entered in a short here on this pullback of the 300s, mainly because I was seeing buying pressure slow down and overall volume was kind of dying out, so I wasn't too sure if price was just going to consolidate here, but I got my answer pretty quickly as this fat red candle tanked price down. Now after seeing that, I was debating if I should just have my stop loss trail price and shoot for a further target, because with this selling momentum, we could see a fat fall down, and after seeing some more strong red candles, I did just that, which was working out because price dipped even lower. We did end up finding some buyers around this area, so I had a feeling I was gonna get stopped out soon, and yeah, I did, for a fat profit of $571.50. With that huge win, I kind of didn't have another plan for the rest of the day, so I was just waiting to see a clean pullback on the 5-minute chart before entering again, which did happen, but here I kind of went rogue and convinced myself to jump in along because these green candles were looking pretty good, and nope, I just got stopped out for a loss of $123. So yeah, I kind of got distracted from my plan, which cost me not only those $123, but also a possible short entry here, so fuck. And after missing that entry due to my lack of patience, I was kind of itching just to jump in a short here, but I stopped myself there and decided just to stop trading here for the day with a profit of $438.06. Alright, last day of the week, and for today with all those sell-offs, I was feeling bearish, but we did find some support here at the 20,000, so I wanted to see how price would react here first before doing anything. And yeah, instead of going down, price popped up at the start of the day. I was still looking for shorts if price got rejected near the 300s, and it kind of did get rejected, but price was still climbing up. However, I kind of saw an opportunity for a double top, so I just hopped in a short. This was sketchy as fuck, so I did size down to one contract because this really didn't check any of my entry rules and was just more of a gut feeling, which I know I probably shouldn't have taken. And yeah, I was wrong for a loss of $57.50. After that, there was really nothing I wanted to trade, so I just stopped here with a loss of $59.24. Alright, so yeah, not a bad week because I did manage to rack in $770.70 with a win rate of 38% this week. There were still definitely a lot of times I cracked and jumped in some iffy trades, but I did manage to catch some of the moments and size down accordingly, so I would say I'm making some sort of progress. Unfortunately, this good progress will have to wait a couple of weeks because I'm going on another trip, but this time to Japan. Hopefully when I get back, I can continue progressing in a good way, but on a side note, if anyone has any suggestions of what to do in Japan, let me know in the comments because I'll probably already be there when this video comes out. So yeah, with that, good luck to anyone trading next week because elections, and I'll see you in like 2 to 3 weeks. Bye!